A MoneyLion iOS update can sometimes cause app issues like login problems, missing features, loading errors, or screens that stop responding after the update installs. By the end of this video, you'll know the steps to fix MoneyLion problems after an iPhone update and get the app working again. Start by closing the MoneyLion app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen, find MoneyLion, and swipe it away to stop the app from running in the background. Then reopen it and check if the problem is fixed. Next, check whether your iPhone has another MoneyLion update available. App developers often release follow-up updates after major changes, and installing the newest version can fix bugs introduced by an earlier update. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and check the available updates section. If MoneyLion appears on the list, install the update and restart the app. If the app still doesn't work, restart your iPhone. A device restart clears temporary system issues that can affect apps after an update. You should also check your internet connection. MoneyLion requires a stable connection to load account information, transactions, and other app features. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the connection is causing the problem. If MoneyLion opens but shows incorrect information, sign out of your account and sign back in. This refreshes your account session and can fix temporary syncing problems. If the issue continues, reinstall the MoneyLion app. Delete the app from your iPhone, download it again from the App Store, and log back into your account. Make sure you know your login details before deleting the app. Before reinstalling, check that your iPhone has enough storage space available. Low storage can prevent apps from updating or working correctly. If none of these steps fix the problem, check whether MoneyLion is experiencing a service issue or contact MoneyLion support. When you contact support, include your iPhone model, iOS version, MoneyLion app version, and a description of what happens when you open the app. To recap, restart the app, install any available MoneyLion updates, restart your iPhone, check your connection, refresh your login, and reinstall the app if needed. Your next step is to check the App Store for another MoneyLion update before trying anything more complicated. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other MoneyLion troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.